Mudra is some kind of hand posture. It is basically a posture which helps to calm the mind. It works on your entire body, your entire mind, because it is part of the acupressure or the acupuncture, process. So our body is basically made up of a lot of energy, right? So we need to activate those energy points. There are few energy points in our body which, if disturbed, then we get a lot of lifestyle related disorders, or we are anxious, we feel stressed. So when you activate these energy points, mostly these energy points are at the tips of our toes or fingers. So our basic extremities, they are the energy points. So when you touch your tips of your fingers, or you must have heard about acupressure, acupuncture, right? So you are basically activating those energy points in your body, which helps in rejuvenation of the complete entire body system, right? So a combination of yoga along with mudras, especially among people who are suffering from chronic diseases like diabetes or hypertension or stress, anxiety issues, it is very effective. So your hand is basically, it has 5 fingers, right? So the thumb is made up of the fire element, right? The index finger, the first finger, is made up of the air element. So there are 5 elements in this entire universe: fire, air. Middle finger is the space element. Okay, the ring finger is the earth element, and the little finger is the water element. So our entire body system is made up of these 5 elements. When we touch certain fingers together, which are known as mudras, then that kind of energy gets activated in the body. So due to some energy imbalance is the main reason why we get these chronic diseases. Like diabetes is like a little imbalance in your fire element in the body. So in order to balance that, we are going to practice mudras. The mudra that we'll be learning today is the Gyan mudra, right? So the index finger is touching the thumb. All the other fingers are straight. So extend all the other fingers completely, and you can place it on the top of your legs, your palms facing upwards. This mudra, it helps to release any kind of stress, anxiety. Sometimes we feel very anxious. Our breath becomes out of control. We have stressful days. So it's best if you can sit in this mudra for 15 minutes as you breathe deeply. Like we did the yogic breathing in the beginning. When you practice the yogic breathing, you sit like this and close your eyes and start breathing deeply. Okay. This again helps to activate the air component in the body, because I told you the index finger is for air, the thumb is for fire. So it's basically helping to balance the fire and the air component in the body. Okay, so let us do this for like 2 minutes. Close your eyes. Bring your hands in the mudra, the Gyan mudra. Take a deep breath in and breathe out. Another deep breath in and breathe out. And let's take 10 deep breaths in and out, sitting in the mudra and focusing on your breath. Now we'll be practicing, which is the Surya Mudra. Now, Surya Mudra is a wonderful mudra for diabetics, because it basically enhances your fire element in the body, right? Due to the fire element disbalance, diabetes is usually known to occur. So we need to balance that element. And practicing Surya Mudra, it controls for those who have high urea levels in the body, for those who have high cholesterol along with diabetes, or who are overweight or obese. Okay, this is very good for weight loss, for controlling urea, for controlling your sugars, and for basically reducing the fat in the body, reducing your cholesterol levels. So what you have to do is you place your thumb, fold your ring finger, the one next to the little finger, the ring finger, and place your thumb on top of the ring finger. Breath in and breathe out. Another deep breath in and breathe out. The prana mudra. So what is pran? Pran is basically life force, right? So practicing this mudra enhances your life force in the body. It rejuvenates your entire system. It enhances your immunity, right? And it also helps to improve your vision. And it's basically stimulating your root chakra. There are 7 chakras in the body, which is the energy points basically. And it stimulates your root chakra, which helps to build your immunity. It keeps a check on your sugars. So this prana mudra, in this, your thumb will be touching your little finger and your ring finger. Okay, so the first 2 fingers are absolutely straight. Your thumb is touching the tip of the ring and the little finger. And you can place your hand on your legs, palms facing up. Make sure that your fingers are not away from each other. They are close together. And you can close your eyes. Take a deep breath in and breathe out. We're going to practice Apan Mudra. In this is similar to the Pran Mudra. When you practice Apan Mudra and Pran Mudra together, it enhances the effectiveness of Mudra practice. It enhances your body function, your organ function, and reduces your sugars completely. So Apan Mudra is basically for detoxification of the body. In this, you join your middle finger and your ring finger, touch your thumb to the middle and the ring finger. Right? Yes. And the other 2 fingers, the first and the last one, they remain straight. So this is a detoxification mudra. And you can place your hand on top. It also helps to improve your digestion. So those people who have any kind of digestive issues, right, or who have a lot of gas production in the body, they are unable to digest foods, and any kind of digestion issues if you're facing, this is a very good mudra for that.